Hi and welcome back to one of our review videos. We're going to be looking at this underbody shorts by Liqui Moly, bitumen basics, underseal. It's like a spray underseal just to protect the underneath of the car. So I'm just going to show you, this is what it comes like. It's not super thick and we've shaken the can a lot.
It's 500ml.
So if you spray a bit, we'll just show.
So let's do there, like there,
yeah,
and there where we've painted.
Just in case you're thinking of buying it and you're wondering what it's like. So it goes on quite light. You can obviously build the coats up.
So what I like about it, no clog.
Yeah, it's not clogged yet, whereas some of the other ones, they're a bit thick and they tend to clog.
Well, I've used some and it's been running down my fingers, so this is really good stuff. There's a piece up there.
Yeah, we can show that. We can show.
Let's see how
painted it, but we're now putting this stuff on.
Let's see how versatile it is when you have to angle it. Pretty good. So it doesn't really matter too much when you're.
Yeah,
it's quite a good finish. I'm happy with that, really happy with that.
Yeah, it's a pretty good finish.
Yeah, and you can build it up if you want. Yeah, it's good stuff.
Right, so that's our review for this.
Yeah.
So if you are thinking about buying it, then hopefully this video is helpful. Thanks for watching.